Then the first question is example whether the following are the polygons. If any one among them it is the not and say. It means they are given the 4 diagrams and which diagrams is a polygon, yes या no, and yes no problem, but yes no why. Okay, then the first diagram is a, you see starting point and ending point is not joined. It means this is not a closed curve. So that the answer is right. First, as it is not a closed curve, closed figure, as it is not a closed curve, therefore it is not a polygon. Okay, as it not a closed figure, this is not a closed figure, that is therefore is a not a polygon. Okay, now second is a closed curve and by the line segment. So it is second, it is polygon, it is polygon because it is made by line segment. Okay, then it is a polygon because it is made by line segment. Okay, and closed curve. And third is a already closed curve but it not a made by the line segment. So your answer is, it is not a polygon, it is not a polygon because it is not made by line segment. Okay, and fourth diagrams is, here is a closed curve and 2 line segment and one down a curve. So down is curve, it is not a polygon, it is not a polygon. Okay, and because it is not made by line segment. Okay, otherwise then first is a starting point and ending point is not a touch a joint, it's the open curve. So this open curve is not a line say polygon. Second is a closed curve and made by the line segment, it's called the polygon. Third is a closed curve but not a made a line segment, it is not a polygon. And fourth also closed curve and 2 line segment and downside is one is curve, so it is not a polygon. Question number second, name of each polygon. There are 4 diagrams are given and you write the name of the polygon. The name of the polygon is depend on the number of side. There are the 4 side, 1 2 3 4 side, its name is quadrilateral. 4 side polygon is called the quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. Okay, there are 3 side, 1 2 3 side polygon is called the triangle. Here 1 2 3 4 5 side polygon is called the pentagon. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are the 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 side. 8 side polygon is called the octagon. Here 6 side polygon is a hexagon. Okay. Again now question number 3. Question number 3, draw a rough sketch of the regular hexagon. It is called the regular. What is the regular polygon? Regular polygon, suppose it is the pentagon, but it is not a regular polygon because the length of each side is not equal. The length of each side is equal, it's the regular. Okay, that regular hexagon, and connect any these of its vertex. Draw the triangle and identify the types of the triangle you have drawn. Okay, so that the hexagon is number of side is 6. Okay, in which hexagon number of side is 6. Okay, and draw a regular hexagon. The all sides are length of all sides are equal. Okay, it means all parts are equal, and write the name A, B, C, D, E and F. The shape of the regular hexagon, all sides are equal. Okay, and they call any 3 of its vertex. The 3 vertex 1, 2, 3, and the draw the triangle. So suppose you have draw the triangle. Okay, the triangle, in the triangle A, E and F, A, E and F, and the name of, identify name of the triangle. Name of the triangle, their 2 sides are equal. Their triangles, the 2 sides are equal. It's called the isosceles triangle. The triangle ABC is a isoscalar triangle. Question number 4th. Question number 4, draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Regular octagon. Octagon means they are 8 side. Okay, and draw a rectangle of the join the exit 4 of the vertex of the octagon. The regular octagon means the all sides are equal. So you have draw a octagon by the octagon is 8 side. Okay, this type of diagrams is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a octagon, and join the 4 vertex. That one is joined to H to C, and second is G to D. Okay, that is the C, D, G, H is a which type of shapes is a rectangle. Is a rectangle shape. Okay, the regular octagon you draw by the line segment. The all sides are equal, and with the help of square paper. Okay, then question number 5, are diagonals of the line segment that the join any 2 vertex of the polygon and it is not a side of the polygon. Draw of the rough sketch of the pentagon. Pentagon is a 5 side polygon. Okay, the 5 side polygon are diagonals are line segment in join the any 2 vertex of the polygon, and it is not a side. It is not a side. Okay, that the polygon, and draw the rough diagram and show the diagonals. So pentagon, here is the only pentagon, it's not a regular pentagon. The pentagon, you draw the pentagon is 1, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side and 5 side. Okay, that the pentagon is A, B, C, D and E. Okay, and diagonals. So diagonals is 1, okay, and 2, 3 and 4. 4 diagonals. You write the name is, first is AD here, second is AC here, and BD and CE. One time AD, AC, BD and this first, and one diagonal is here is BE, okay. So this is the all, this all are the diagonal. Exercise 5.9. In the exercise 5.9 only 2 questions will be solved. The exercise is depend on 3D shapes, okay. Now 2D shapes, the square, rectangles, and 3D shapes will be cube, square. The basic difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes, they shapes will hold in your hand. It is called the 3D shapes, okay. Now first will be match the column, that the cone. It is the first is a cone, is the diagram of the cone, is second is a cone, okay. Sphere means, a sphere is a rounder shape, is an example of football, is a cone is example of ice cream cone, okay. Cylinder is a fifth, is the shape of glass, and road roller, this type shape. Cuboid is a shape of this type. This is made by the surface is a square shape, rectangle shape, and pyramid is a first is a pyramid, okay. That cone, sphere, cylinder, cuboid and pyramid. They match the column. And second question will continue. Second question, what shape is? Here is to mention box. To mention box is a shape is, which type of a shape? Is the shape of is cuboid. The shape of cuboid, okay. A bucket you have seen, this is the length, width and height are different in the 3D shapes is cuboid. And matchbox already also cuboid, okay. And road roller is a shape of cylinder, okay. A sweet laddu is a shape of sphere,